Hey guys, it's Mick. Thanks for coming back to my channel. We're going to do box 2 today, the donation from my cousin. We'll see what's in here. I see this little pretty lady up top here. If you do like what you see on my channel, you can always subscribe. That'd be awesome. You can hit that thumbs up for me. That'd be amazing. And if you don't want to miss anything, you can just hit the little bell down there. Other than that, let's get on to the show. Let's see. So first we have this really pretty doll. She's all squishy and her face is glass. I'm not sure. She might need a little cleaned up or something. Wonder Treats Inc. So if anybody knows anything about that, oh, her legs, everything's bendy. If anybody knows anything, you can leave comments, opinions. If you would like to purchase anything, just get a hold of me, comments. And you can also DM me on Instagram. Which is Lucart Mick. This guy says he's vintage. I'm not sure what he is. I don't remember him even as a kid, so I'm not sure. Says Marvin. Marvin, fat and sassy. Spoil me. And then it says Tom Armstrong. Okay. We have a brand new pink tablecloth. Another book. New York Times bestseller. Chicken Soup for the Christian soul. We got brand new light bulbs for like your chandelier. Patches, iron-on patch. Okay, cool. They're all brand new. It's like a little bundle. I'm not sure what this thing is. Anybody know what this is? Poke Slim vacuum and lift roller. It's supposed to like probably get out cellulite maybe? I don't know. Okay, we have a bunch more of these dolls that were in the first box. They're all brand new. And this one's on a stand for whatever reason. And she doesn't have a tag. We got another miniature one. And then here's another one. And here's a one. And here's a one. This one's weird. A little... I don't know, she's different, and she got a little book. Look for fiber craft instructions. So these are craft dolls. Ooh, it looks like you're supposed to make those big dresses for those. I remember Grandma having those. And then she's got like a hole in her back. I don't know. That's all the dolls. More light bulbs. A cell phone case. I don't know what's going on with this thing here, but it's says wow for iPhone 5. It's brand new. It's blue. We got a space maker. Put your pencils and crayons in. Ooh, we had some of these in the last box. Here's 4 packs of boxes I can use for shipping. So that's great. And then we got this big 15-inch canoe tray. Brand new. It's in the box. Let's see if it's really, let's see what's in here. See, oh yeah, it is brand new, see? So, that'd be nice to, you can use it for food or even like stick your remotes or something on. Ooh, you can put it in the center of the kitchen with some like grapes on it. Okay, we got more of these going on. Foam and Souls. A citrus juicer. For the juicer. Okay, we got some flowers that they busted a hole through, but they are brand new. We have a dog harness, pink. Get a grip before you slip. I believe these go on your shoes. The bottom of your shoes. Yeah, one way or another, but somehow, I guess, so you don't fall in the snow. Put that back. Comes with its own little sack. Let's see, we got, ooh, these are pretty. This says Wine Glass Charms. Let's see if this is brand new. Oh, yep, it's in the pack. See? Brand new in the pack. Let's see, we got, oh, the cup hooks, the sections. Can you see that? Yeah, I think you can see it. We have a wireless charging system for BlackBerry Bold 9700 series. Power to make. So, if you know anything about that, I remember these Blackberries, but that was before, like, all the iPhones. We got another before you slip. We got display. New display. Let's see. New display. Oh, these are the little casings for the dolls. I see. Oh, for one doll to stand on and you display her. It's brand new in the box. Has been opened, but looks like it's all there. And then we have these little nose pads. And then we have one more box, which is brand new. I just kind of opened it. Looks like it's brand new or cared for really well. It's Santa. Oh, it's got footprints. And he climbed up the tree to put the star up. Isn't that cute? Bottom's just solid. This is the back. It's nothing. And the box is a bunch of tissue paper. So I'm thinking it was used. And then they stored it in here. It says Santa climbing Christmas tree made by Kim for my birthday, December 1985. Oh, somebody made this? How cute. Okay, and that's an empty box there. That was box 2. If you're interested in anything, again, just let me know. You can find me on Instagram at LukeHartMick, or you can just give me a message here. And maybe we can work something out. And otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the video. And please don't forget that thumbs up. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.